Our ears help us to detect sounds that are vibrations in the air or water.
How do our ears recognize the vibrations as sounds?
For most of us, our ears are able to relay the thousands of different vibrations in the air to the brain. The brain then interprets them as sounds. Most of the ear is actually inside the head. The ear that we see acts as a funnel to carry sound down a tube to the eardrum.
And the eardrum works just like a real drum, right?
Yes, but it also does more. The eardrum is a skin stretched across the tube. Sound waves make it vibrate, just like a drum. But then, as the eardrum vibrates, it swings a tiny bone called the hammer against another bone called the anvil. The anvil then shakes a third bone, called the stirrup. These three bones together triple the strength of the vibrations.
Then the vibrations travel to that part that looks like a snail shell.
That's the cochlea. It's filled with fluid that transfers the vibrations to tiny cells called hair cells. These cells translate the vibrations into electrical signals. The signals travel to the brain along the auditory nerve. And presto, you hear something.